Make sure we're not walking on any graves here. We are sitting here at Grave Garden. Uh-oh. Hey, not cool. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's us, Will Wreck You again. Back. It's been a minute. Last time we tried making a video like this, it didn't go so well, and we got pulled over, so we didn't really put that one up because we didn't make one. But we are sitting here at Graveyard, and we're gonna do a little ghost hunting. So, fair warning, disclaimer: some younger viewers probably don't want to watch it. And then second disclaimer: there's two of them. Yeah. We can't be 100% sure on noises we hear because this is outside, so it could just be like a squirrel or something running in the woods. So if you hear something, let us know in the comments below. So let's get this going, huh? Alright guys, we are out of the car. There's my car. Yeah, just chilling there. Look at that beautifulness. Okay, I'm gonna put this in wide lens so that we can... This is sketchy. You can't really see much on my camera. Look at that.
Record this.
See a crap ton on this, but we've got our thing here going, so I'm gonna set this to its brightest setting. What? I'm gonna probably keep this uncut for you guys viewing at home. Probably not gonna edit it any. So depending on how long we're here, depends on how long the video is. So it's gonna be uncut, so you can see that we didn't put anything on this. So first we're gonna visit some family, or attempt to.
You're finding.
Make sure we're not walking on any graves here. It's crazy. This is the first time I've ever been at a graveyard at night. That's creepy. That's a creepy gravestone.
What, that?
Yeah. You can't see shit on this.
I'll check this one first.
The rock.
Uh-oh.
Look at this one. But Alvin H. Zud. No, we're looking for Usher. Yeah, don't walk on it. Domi Francis. John. Wait.
That's Sean.
That's Sean. That's Son. Well, yeah, we're in a corner. I think Grandma or Mom said we're in the
That corner?
far distant corner, like way over there. What did I just step in? About stepping in a big grave.
Hello, Fred? I have to go over there.
Yeah, because, well, it's on the hill part of it, because Mom was saying that Grandpa would go out and...
Margaret, huh? That's my aunt. Relatives.
Huh? Daniel B. Father.
That's all the Huffs.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even in here. Right up here then. Who's that one?
I have no idea.
Graves on trash.
Woodruff.
Nope.
These are some old graves. How's that? That grave's in such good condition for being that old.
Mickle?
Yeah, Mickle.
Charles?
Uh-oh. Hey. Not cool.
Turn them off anyway. Car's coming.
Okay, shh.
Light's glaring against you. It's an ambulance.
Ambulance. That's a sketchy sign. Okay, point it up. Gotta use your light. Mine went out. That's creepy.
It's not creepy at all. You go wider.
What was that? Truck. On the highway.
Smell that? Copperhead.
Well, watch for
Ooh, that's a, yeah. That's a big copperhead too.
What? I don't smell cucumber.
Charles. You know who the family is?
Yeah, John Usher. So we're looking for.
One over here.
Well, And make sure we can both see where we're going.
I ain't worried about a car. Fuck a car. We're just looking for family. Where that one is.
Tucker. Oh, maybe you ain't gotta worry about rain.
Oh, you ain't gonna get rain. You got that grave, or is that a grave? Can't
That's
tell.
a grave.
Yeah, that's a grave.
grave.
That's probably them.
Possibly. It's on the edge, so try not to. Okay, we
Can you hear me? Okay. I want to go two, not two.
No, let's not go over there. It's too high up. Don't want to run into a snake or something.
Shirley.
It's a koi. It's not us. Lord, this thing goes high up here. What?
I'm watching that light. I think it's one of them lantern lights for the graves.
Yeah.
Check them all the way through, or especially in the daytime. Find out where they are. That shines.
Yeah, that's a mirror. No, it's not. That's
a
that metal
bench.
we seen.
There's a bench over there. A bench.
It's these poor graves. They're just falling in.
Oh.
That's the wood of the casket rotten.
Chrome. Oh,
Oh, I mean,
Sherry Harper.
we're still. That's Sarah.
No, Sarah Harper.
Yeah, that like getting further away.
No, it's right there.
Yeah.
It's in the bushes.
Yeah, but you point away and it's still there, so it's not an animal.
No.
See?
I have a sign.
Probably.
It was shining when you turn the light out. Maybe it's not.
It's a light. It's a lantern.
Check this one.
It's far up here. I didn't know this graveyard was this high up.
Drive through. Drive over.
We'll have to visit it in the day. Yeah, it's a lantern.
JC. It's a sheriff. Car. John Car.
Oh dang, that's Chris Carr's family, I'm guessing.
My buddy's grandpa, probably. You went to a bush, get your shit.
Oh, it's
Who
Christ.
we know?
It might be. I doubt it is, though. These are.
She set up on the hill, right?
Yeah, these are newer, though. Because look, that lantern.
So, Reagan.
Not Reagan?
Thomas. No.
Looking for John.
A Joel. Check that one. We'll work away. I have to avoid that side.
Huh?
Try to avoid from going over there.
Well, point down here real quick. It
Can you
says,
say not to go?
don't pass my car.
Where's over there?
Yeah, don't pass it. Up, up, up. You just stepped on a grave.
I didn't. Where?
You're on it right now.
Nothing. I ain't worried. That's not them.
No.
Lord.
I'd be respectful, man.
I know, but
Maud.
Maud and Pod.
1888.
Oh, they Maud.
Frank Gaston. Frank Gaston.
Yeah, that's phone numbers.
Gaston?
Yeah, to me.
Oh, dang. Cop?
Huh?
No, that's not cop.
I thought you said cop. Yeah, I can't really see on that one.
No, that one you'd have to take some chalk and... Oh, that one's cool.
Don't pass the road.
No, we can't. There's the road. We can't pass that.
Jack Michael.
If we go over there,
Where's
we're doing it
John?
in the day.
John Jackson, Michael Sr.
Nope.
World War II veteran.
Skatos. We're on the road.
Mitchell.
Yeah.
Does.
Go between them. You'll probably have to come back here tomorrow and look. 1934.
Mark.
Well, they're both buried up
Yeah,
here. Both.
probably up in the other side.
Point my car. Okay.
Why do you want to worry about your car?
Well,
got
because
right
that's how
here.
we know where to go.
I know, the road's right there.
Oh man, we didn't pass it. That just felt like we passed it. That looked like a road to me.
Can't tell.
I clean it off, but don't touch.
disturbing.
That's
1945.
Yeah, they're probably over there then.
I guarantee you they are.
You said just don't go to that side.
Yeah.
That's where his family's at, so.
That'd suck if it was on this
I'll
side.
come back tomorrow.
Yeah, we will. Back down the car and do some voice recording.
Yeah.
Alright.
Almost out.
I am one for calmly. I've been trying to learn not to drag my
the whole
feet.
time.
We have. But you never know what the camera's picked up.
Our voice recording.
Yeah, our voice.
I did feel a little eerie on that.
I did too. Felt like something was like touching my leg the whole time in a certain area over there.
Oh, you getting physical? Probably.
But I'll get in the car real quick. We'll do some vocal stuff.
Why'd you get in first?
Huh?
Why'd you get in first?
Alright. Okay. Hey guys, we're back. Well, so my light went out while we were out there. That was no sketchy. Just a wee bit, huh? So, now we're gonna go through this and listen to it. I can hook it into my car. Hear it over the stereo. Wanna do that?
Yeah, but then you gotta turn your car on.
I don't have to turn it all the way on.
Your lights will come on.
No, they won't. I don't have an
Let's
auto.
go back.
No, wait, but...
Your lights aren't come on. Watch.
Alright. So,
You don't have an audio
let's
cord?
probably do that, huh? Yeah, we have an audio cord. Oh. But, go. Make sure it's online. Turn it up. Alright. You're gonna listen to this. Test. That's not it. Click the check mark.
Okay.
Right. Let's take this and try to
Use this mic to do it.
I'm gonna probably keep this uncut for you guys viewing at home. Probably not gonna edit it any. So depending on how long we're here, depends on how long the video is. So it's gonna be uncut.
Here we go.
Are you holding your belly?
What? A vape?
Your phone.
You find them. No, how does that work?
So we're not working on any braces. Crazy. This is the first time I've ever been in a grave right? That's creepy. What's that?
Just a gravestone. I'll check this one first. Should have talked the whole time. Probably overtalked it.
Calvin H. Wood.
No. Try this one here. See what's on this side. Probably have grandma come here and show us.
Domi Francis.
It's Francis.
Strange.
Wait.
S. Sean. Delphine.
I'm waiting for when my light
They're on the
goes
other
off.
side, I think.
That was about halfway through the video.
That corner? Someone left some trash out here.
Right there. Where's that light? It's on your side. Oh.
Great.
It's not light. Car going by.
Something hit your door.
We're leaving it uncut, so.
Daniel B. Father.
That's all the hops.
Mm-hmm.
Probably not even in here. Probably not here then. Oh boy. Who's that one? What the hell was that?
I have no idea.
It's you. Here, you mind it?
Mm-hmm.
Probably not even in here. Probably not here then. That was it, right there. Hold on.
It's right before you say there's not even in here.
Go ahead and
Margaret, huh? That's right. Yes. No.
Daniel B. Father. That's all the house. Mm-hmm. Probably not even in here. Probably not here then. Oh boy. Dog. Who's that one?
Dude.
That wasn't either one of us.
I heard something right before that.
Rewind it. I
Okay,
didn't
you
hear
want to
nothing.
go back to the house and finish this so we're not stirring anything up while we're here?
Let's do that.
Okay, we will see you guys in just a second. Okay, guys, we're here. We're back. We're gonna re-listen to that and try figuring out what it said. If I can get this stupid thing to stay up here. Your grandpa.
Don't mind me, I'm eating.
He's gonna be eating. Okay,
Crazy.
ready? Listen to this.
So,
Okay, why don't you start from the beginning? Start
Look,
from
we
the
go to
I want to go to the beginning.
Delphine. Uncle Grave.
For what?
Oh, yeah, better than saying that grandpa would go out and Margaret house. That's why Anna's relatives. My uncles. Daniel B. Father. That's all the house. Mm-hmm. Probably not even in here. Probably not here then. Oh boy. Dog. Who's that one? I have no idea.
You? No.
Nope. Oh, what's that one? He's that old. Big wolf. Charles. Hey, not cool. Turn off anyway. Car's coming.
What did I say before?
Okay, so you guys remember back earlier in the video when my light went off? Okay, so right before that happened, we heard some like, it wasn't "you don't belong here," it's like some dark.
Something to do with the dark, but I don't know. I can't really make it out. We'll have to find,
We'll have to go
find
through
something to knock off the background. Well, keep the background, but knock off our voices so we can actually hear.
Right, do that. We'll have to go through and check the footage, see if it picked it up on there. But we'll also check this again, and we'll listen to it better here in a little bit. But we're gonna listen to this first and see if we can't find anything. So like this. Did you hear that one? The whispering?
Crazy. Oh, what's that one? He's that old. Big wolf. Charles. Hey, not cool. Turn off anyway. Car's coming.
You're stuck it against you.
Yeah, this was.
Before your light
stick the microphone against you?
Mike?
Before your light went out, I said Charles.
Yes, and then we heard that static. And
Kenny's
then right
brother.
after,
You know, we messing with him out there, and he says Charles.
and then right after that, after the static, my
Yeah,
light
static,
goes
and
out.
the light goes out, but when you put your chest on it,
Went out. That's creepy. That's not creepy at all. It's sketchy. You go wider. What is that? Shut. Smell that? Copperhead. Ooh, that's a that's a big copperhead too.
Just trying to scare us.
Charles. You know who the family is?
I keep saying Charles.
There's a stone over here.
I said it one time.
Watch. I ain't worried about a car. I'll be tomorrow. This is the family.
Oh, I said Charles once.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's my voice, though.
I said twice.
Did it just record twice? We just heard that car go through before that went off.
No, there was a second part, remember? And you said,
Got that grave or is that a grave?
That was in England.
So, yeah, that's great. That's probably them. Can you hear me? Okay. want to go too, not too high. Shirley. Cool. Don't mind. What? I'm watching it live. I think it's one of the lantern lights from the graves.
Why, man?
You know, like the river. Especially in the daytime. I know what they are. That shines. That's a bench. There's a bench over there. The bench.
There was no bench over there.
Yeah, you said there was a bench.
There was a bench. I seen the rail of the bench whenever we were over there.
Wood of the casket rock.
Tron.
I think that's the.
Oh, Grandpa.
I thought I was tapping on the mic and then I realized that.
Sherry Harper.
Sarah.
I'm at Sarah Harper. Oh, it's right there. It's in the bushes.
Yeah, but you're pointing away and it's still there.
Oh, no. I had a sign. It's glary. It was shining when I turned the light out. So I did a sign. Yeah. Check this one. Yeah, drive-through. Drive the way out. Is it in JC? It's a sheriff. Car. John Carr.
For a second I thought, right there, I thought you said it was like a cop car. I was like, what the fuck would they bury a cop car? I really thought he was talking about there was a car buried in the graveyard. I was like, what the? Why would they bury a car in the graveyard?
It had a sheriff's badge on the stone.
Yeah, I seen that. It was at the top of it.
A cop car.
My buddy's grandpa probably. Bush or shit. Could be those.
I doubt it is so legal.
She set up on the roof, right?
Yeah, these are newer though. Let's look. That ring.
So, Reagan.
Alright.
You notice something following us?
No.
Buddy's grandpa probably. Bush or shit. Could be those.
I doubt it is so legal.
She set up on the roof, right?
Yeah, these are newer though. Let's look. That ring.
So, Reagan.
Alright.
Cummins.
Every time we stop,
But
that's
Joel? We'll work away, but I tried to avoid that side. Try to avoid from going over there.
Oh, slow down here real quick.
Let me say that.
Don't pass the car.
Where's over there?
Don't pass it. I'm saying don't pass the car.
Wait,
That's how we
where?
do it.
You're on it right
I was about to run over there.
Why?
Just because.
That's not
Freak me out because the light was out.
You would have been back to your car.
Martin
I
Pond.
somehow got that even dark.
Martin
even.
Pond is.
You know how big my lawn is? Oh gosh. I'm horrible.
That's fair numbers. Yeah, me.
I think the only name we called was the beginning.
Huh? I thought you said cob. What? What are y'all doing right here? Yeah, I can't really feel it. Oh, yeah. Just don't pass the road.
No, we can't pass the road. Can't pass the road.
Jack Michael. There's John. John Jackson, Michael Sr. World War II veteran. Mitchell.
We probably have to.
Mike. Mark. Yeah, it's probably up in the other side. Why do you want to work at your car? You got Greg's here. I know, the road's right there. No. I can't tell.
That's weird looking.
That's strange. Yeah, they're probably over there. You said just don't go to that side. That's where it's famous. So we'll probably come back tomorrow. Alright. Yeah. Don't stop.
I've been trying to learn.
You've been talking the whole time.
But I never know.
Our voice recording.
They are bored.
I did feel a little eerie on that side.
You need to get an EMP. So like something
Oh, you get printed more? Okay. What you get first?
I wasn't stopping on your feet. I told you to calm down your feet, quit stomping. You got walking. I was trying to walk quietly. So my light went out. That was sketchy. That's a wee bit, huh? So, that's the end of the recording.
I want to go back and listen to that though.
Okay. So we're probably going to listen to it one more time off camera, and if we find anything, we'll let you guys know. But as far as I can think, I think that one spot's the only bit that we actually got.
It's just hard to make it out what it is.
Yeah, so we're going to probably go back and listen to that and put it at the end of the video so you guys know. So, if you watch the end of the video, then you'll know what it is. But if you don't, that's your fault. So, hey, that was a little Rick. So, yeah, we'll go back and listen to that. If we find anything else, we'll let you know. But you only said Charles once. You said it twice. It's weird.
Car went through 3 times.
No, it went
Did
through.
you hear anything about an ambulance when I said that was probably an ambulance? There was nothing in there about an ambulance and I said it.
You said it quietly, so.
It still would have picked it up.
Yeah, because it was picking up a lot. What I'm wondering is what that one bit was.
Before it gargled out.
The one real loud bit. That's what I'm wondering.
We're going to have to probably send it to your phone. And then you can adjust it and find out what the noise was. Knock out the outside. Or keep the
Can't do that.
outside.
It's not 2 separate audio
Tried. Jeez, bless my heart.
If it was 2 separate audio clips, we would have probably been able to do it. We should have sat down and done a recording session too. So I think we were recording on both microphone and that at the same time. But we're gonna go back through and watch the video from the graveyard and see if the camera picked up anything.
Might have.
Because it probably picked up my light going out. So we're gonna watch that footage and we'll be back in a second. Alright guys, we went back and rewatched it. There's actually something in the video that we first didn't hear in the audio, so it sounded like somebody said hi and then walk away from the dark. And if you guys want to, go back and watch where he says Charles the first time. He never said it a second time. We rewatched that part. Yeah, that was kind of weird. But, that is the most we have ever caught on camera or audio. So, all in all, pretty successful night. Also, if y'all think I was messing with you with the light, watch. The light comes on. So, there's proof that the light still works. But I thought my battery had gone dead on it. But, yeah, so that's pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Creeped us out a lot. But, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anything you want to say, Chris?
I don't know, it's some crazy stuff.
Yeah, I did not expect to get that much on video or audio at all.
We might try it again and see what happens, but
first, we're going to Florida for work.
whee!
So maybe we can find something haunted down there around where we are. No?
Maybe.
What?
Anybody on here that's from Florida, hit us up.
Yeah,
We
let
want
us
some
know.
hauntings down there. If
That'd
it's on the
be fun.
weekends.
Yeah, if it's on the weekends. But yeah, we fly down to Florida Sunday or Monday. So, if you guys wanna hit us up and let us know if you've got any places to go, or even if your own house is haunted. We'll explore and we'll figure it out for you. But for only about 12 minutes of being there, that was a lot. That was a lot. But we're gonna have a little game, and winner gets a $25 gift card of your choice.
But the first clicking you're gonna hear was from this, so that was.
Yeah,
But the
shadow
popping
was
noise
him.
before it, we don't know what that was.
Oh, we also did get a popping noise.
Yeah, it was way before. We don't know what that was. But the voices, tell me if you heard anything, and we'll let you know
Mm-hmm.
if you can make it out.
Yeah. So, I mean, we kind of already told them what we heard, so that we can't really use that for a game. All right. Here's the thing. Okay, we figured out the game. Okay, you guys, this is gonna take some focus on it. At what time did whatever the voice was say walk on the right road? Whoever gets it right first, or closest to it, I should say, because there's a few seconds it said it. Whoever gets the closest to the time and gets first will get the $25 gift card of your choice. So that's pretty much it.
Let the games begin.
But as always, we'll wreck you, and we hope you guys have a good one. So, peace.